Hey guys, I'm Lightning Rocket and welcome back to finally another Perler beading video. Today I'll be bringing a tutorial on the world famous Formula-1 race car. Also, sorry I haven't been able to upload in quite some time. I had school, but now I'm free to upload much more to you guys. We're going to start off with the base of the car. You might see those cut pieces. To make them, make sure to lay out the pattern you see in the left corner of the screen. Then cut across it to make the piece. Also, make sure to slightly bend the bottom panel at the back. This is so that it will be able to attach the pieces we just made. Then, we're going to put in the panel at the very front, completing this set of pieces. Time to start the next ones. Now this is the fun part, attaching the sides of the body to the base. Make sure to make a small slit at the back of each part for it to easily fit onto the base, as you can see right here. Also, if you're enjoying the video thus far, please consider subscribing. It's free and it helps out a ton. Now for the underframe. All the pieces at the top of the screen are the ones you need to make. The rightmost one has to be at first made straight, but while it's still hot, after ironing, make sure to bend it into shape mine has. This is a very important skill to have to make more complex models. Now we're going to start inserting the assembled piece into the bottom connectors on the sides of the car. When you put it in, the two lines of beads should be able to bend into the holes on either sides of the body. Here are the parts we're going to use to finish off the top of the nose. Also, the T-shaped piece on the right functions as a holder to prevent the wheel connectors from deforming. It's quite cool. Now grabbing the fully one-colored piece, we will insert it from the top this time. Also, make sure to orient it in a way that both of the holes between the two pieces line up. These are now going to be the back panels. Make sure to make those two beads separate, as they will be needed in two different places. I recommend putting a small cut only in the bottom side of the long piece. This is so that if anyone wants to put in some minifigures, it could probably fit. Also, if anyone is struggling, feel free to join my Discord. I'll be sure to leave it in the description for anyone to join. It could be a bit of a struggle to put in the one bead piece, but I'll assure you that they will fit eventually. I love this part. Here we're going to be making the engine intakes. They look really cool if assembled correctly, so pay close attention to the orientation of each piece. Here are the pieces you'll be needing to finish off the intakes, as well as starting to make the back part of the vehicle. The car is actually starting to take shape. Inserting the back part might be a bit tough, but just pulling apart the two faces will help you a ton. Once you put in the top of each intake, the car's outline is clearly visible. Now for the intake tower, that thing above the driver's head. I'm not really sure how it's called, but if you do, please comment down below. You'll just be stacking plates one above the other to make a really good looking intake. To have easier access to insert the plates, make sure to separate the sides by just a little bit. Now this part is really fun. Now we're making the front wing of the car. It looks amazing on this Perler Bead model, so I recommend not to rush because the better you make it, the better it will look. Also, I recommend putting all the pieces you iron under a heavy textbook. That way, the pieces will come out smooth and flat. Now, you'll need to grab that one black bead that you just ironed and stick it into the hole that is remaining beneath the wing. To make the tires, just copy all of the templates. Make sure to iron on both sides, otherwise the sides will not be able to properly click together. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe. We're almost at 700 subscribers and it would mean the world to me if we got there. Now all we have left is to pop all the tires right into place. If there's a loud click, that means you made everything correctly and that it will hold itself together well. Covering these tiles with these small pieces is essential, otherwise they won't be round. All you need to do is just pop in all of the small parts in place and you're all set. The curl is looking amazing at this point. Nearing the end of the assembly, we'll be building the spoiler. Make sure to iron all the pieces really well to optimally hold together. putting it on, be careful not to break it, as there will be a lot of bending going on to connect it. Also, make sure to connect both holes on the sides of the spoiler to the pegs that extend from either side of the body. I'm so glad everyone watched to the end of this video. If you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, punch the post notifications bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!